Good day viewers, I welcome you back to my YouTube channel, and this is Chemistry Mainly Organic. And we are going to the episode 2. Last week we talked about chemical bonding, the introduction into chemical bonding, but this week we're going to go deep into chemical bonding. Last week we talked about intramolecular bonds and intermolecular bonds. So we're going to be picking those bonds, especially ionic bonding. So today I'm going to be talking about ionic bonding, which is also known as electrovalent bonding. Now, what do we understand by ionic bonding? Ionic bonding deals with what we call transfer of electrons. Transfer of electrons. How is electrons being transferred? For example, electron is being transferred from a metal into a non-metal. Don't let us forget the definition of metal and non-metal. A metal is an atom that loses electron to become positively charged, while a non-metal is an atom that gains electron to become what? Negatively charged. So in ionic bonding, there is a transfer of electron from a metal to a non-metal. So the metal gives out the electron while the non-metal will receive the electron. Examples of metal: we have sodium, we have magnesium, we have aluminum, we have metals. Example of non-metals: we have chlorine, fluorine, iodine, astatine. Example: group 1, group 6 rather, group 7 elements. Non-metals: group 1, group 2, group 3. So when a group 1, group 2, group 3 transfers electron to a group 6, group 7 element, we call them what? Ionic bonding. And you have to understand that in ionic bonding, we have their characteristics. And before I move to their characteristics, let me give you the examples. Examples are NaCl, Al2O3, NaF, NaI. So anywhere you see a metal combining with a non-metal, we call it what? Ionic bonding or electrovalent bonding. Now moving to their characteristics. Number one characteristics is that they contain positive and negative charge. Now you have to understand that when a metal loses an electron, it becomes positively charged. When a non-metal gains an electron, it becomes negatively charged. So for example, we can have Na plus Cl minus coming together to form NaCl. So that Na plus signifies that sodium has lost one electron, while Cl minus signifies that chlorine has gained just one electron. So that's the first characteristics. They contain positive and negative charge. Number two is that they contain ions which can form electrolytes to conduct electricity. Remember, electricity are conducted through electrolytes. So they have free mobile electrons that conduct electricity. So because of their free mobile electrons, they conduct electricity. Number three is that they are soluble in polar solvent like water. Very soluble. They are very, very soluble. Next one is that they have high melting and boiling points. That's very, very essential. They have what? High melting and boiling point. Now I come to the end of ionic bonding.